Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this turkey outfit on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to walk in, I'm going to get these pants and I'm just going to color it this like brown. Can I change the, no I can't, so I'm just going to like leave it like this, and then I'm going to use the fur shoes. For like leg warmers, I'm going to color it this color, and I'm going to add this one. Actually, I might just add some boots to cover up the nails because I do not want that. So let's do that for the feet sleeves you got here. Then for the coat, I'm just gonna color it this like brown too. I might make the jean color a little bit darker. And then here I'm going to take the cupcake suit. I'm going to color it this brown color as well. There we go. And then I'm going to add this. I'm just gonna color everything brown as well here. Then for the head of the turkey, I am going to go here, going to use this hair, which is right here, and I'm going to color it red. And then for the second one, I'm going to color it a darker red. Then for the beak, I am going to use this. I'm going to color it this color. Then I'm going to use this one, I'm going to color it brown the same. Select this one. Do the fourth toggle and you're going to color that the same brown you've been using. And then I am going to get the goggles, which is now it's in the men's section. And I'm going to color them white and brown for the eyes, like this. And yes, unfortunately, you do need VIP. I think by the cape, you've already known that. Select this hat, and you're going to color it the same brown as well for everything. I might change like the color, the like material on it. I don't know if that made a difference. Anyways, we're going to select this mask, and then we're going to color it orange except for the feather. We're going to color that brown. And I might add some like gloves just to cover up the nails of it. But yeah, that is it. That's how you can create a turkey on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.